You can set up an automation workflow in your CleverReach account to send a newsletter to customers who haven't opened your emails in a while, for example, a specific number of days ago. To get started, just click on the Segments tab in the recipient list. Next, just click the orange Add Segment button to create a new segment. Name your segment so you can find it later and select it in your automation workflow. For example, you could call it Reactivation Campaign. Next, you'll want to filter the segment by Email Last Opened, Time Frame, Older Than, and X days ago. If you choose 30 days ago, like in our example, the system will always check which recipient last opened one of your newsletters 30 days ago. Click on Update and Save to save the segment. You'll then need a Thea automation workflow to contact inactive customers automatically. Next, you'll want to set up a new Thea automation workflow in your CleverReach account. To get started, just go to Automation Thea in the menu and click on the Add Workflow button. Select Win Back Inactive Recipients under Multi-Level Workflow and assign a name for it. Click on Add, and your pre-designed campaign will open automatically. The first element is set to daily, and the second element saves the segment that we have just created. This is how you can be sure that only the right people are in the segment every day. Select the segment for your automation workflow and create a new email, or select an existing email you want to send out. Mention a discount in your newsletter, or ask your readers what they're missing or what they need. Once you're done, be sure to save your email. Great news! Your automation is set up and ready to go. To get the automation up and running, just change the slider in the top right-hand corner from inactive to active. From now on, any recipients who are inactive will automatically get the email you've created. If you need more info on automated campaigns, just check out our Help Center.